How to cancel friend requests sent on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Facebook application on your device. Then tap on the Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now after that, what you need to do is just tap on the friend option over here and then tap on friend request, or you can just directly go to the search bar. And on the search bar, just search for the friend that you had sent the friend request to. So if I have sent a friend request to one particular person, you'll be able to see the option of cancel request over here at the bottom. So just tap on cancel request, tap on cancel request again, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.